That's right, for under $30. Only $30. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Life with Ro. If you are a new or returning subscriber, hi, welcome back. Thank you so much for subscribing. I have seen so many of you guys subscribe, and I am truly blessed to have you guys here. If you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. I do all things beauty, lifestyle, and so much more. If you are interested in subscribing, please do so now. I encourage you to do it. We do amazing things on this channel. I have an awesome video for you this week. It's a little bit different. It's not the same as what I usually do. Today, I am going to be showing you guys my shower transformation. I did not spend any more than that. It came out amazing. This is like a bougie on the budget type style. So if this is not for you, just a disclaimer, it is on a budget. Don't worry, you guys. I have another try on haul for you guys this week. I'm gonna try to give you guys at least one a week. You guys can see the progress that I made through the video, and then I am going to jump on at the end and let you guys know what I thought about it. All right, y'all, so let's jump into the video. Okay, y'all, so this is how our shower started. Plain, simple, but not to worry, we're gonna jazz it up and make it look brand new. Also, first I'm gonna start with this Dollartree wallpaper. It was actually $1. I only used 7 rolls for the entire shower. These are available in so many cute color choices, so check them out. Okay, y'all, next up I had this wall tile, the faux wall tiles. To say they're only $1, they look really realistic, and also they're pretty adhesive. I would definitely recommend these. So right here I decided, you know what would be really cool? If I got one of those LED shower heads. So I went ahead and spent $5 at Five Below and got the easy installation LED shower head. It is amazing. It blows out so much water, and it's just entertaining while you're in the shower. It's super cute. If you wanted something really cool for your restroom, I would highly suggest this shower head. This was the beginning stages for the shower lining paper. We went ahead and lined it horizontally so that way it'd be easier to work our way from the bottom all the way to the top. This takes a lot of patience, guys, so if you're gonna do something like this, be ready. It is time consuming. This is what the shower ended up looking like. This is the bottom profile of it being fully wallpapered. This is what the middle section of the shower looked like. I would have to say the handles that you turn on the shower with was the most difficult part. You actually have to make sure that you tuck the wallpaper underneath the chrome pieces so that you don't see the imperfections. At the top, you can see the tiling is done. Doesn't it look amazing? To say it was $1, we actually reinforced it with Gorilla Glue to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. But I would like to say that it really came out amazing. It's not perfect, but to say that it was done with contact paper, it's pretty amazing. I'm gonna let you guys see one more time from the actual bottom, panning to the top what the entire tub looked like. Now this shot is before I added the shower head on. Let me go ahead and show you what it looked like with the LED shower head. Doesn't this look so cool? It really just adds a very modern feel to your shower. To say that this was done under $30 is amazing. Okay, so just to recap, the actual shower head was $5. The tiling, I bought 5 packs, so that's $5. And I bought 7 rolls of the contact paper, which was $7. So we still haven't even reached 30 yet. Okay, y'all, here's kind of like bonus footage. I needed hooks to hang my brooms and mops, so I went ahead and got these universal clips from Dollartree. Yes, Dollartree. They give you 6 of them in a pack for $1, and I only used 2 to hang up my brooms and mops. I highly suggest. It's a must-have. All right, y'all, so we're at the end of my shower transformation video for under $30. That's right, $30. Now eventually I do want to go back and get one of those remote control LED lights to put above the shower. That way there's more light in that area. I might do an add-on or something like that if I haven't by the end of this video, or I'll probably update you guys on how the shower is doing. If you guys want an update, comment down below and I can let you guys know, like in 3 or 4 months, how it's holding up and how it's doing, in case you want to see how it looks before you guys go and wallpaper your shower, because it is a little bold. But it is beautiful. It saves you a lot of money. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love if you guys would like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss an upload. I'm gonna try to put together you guys a posting schedule for me so you guys know exactly when I'm gonna post. I probably have that out for you guys next week. So you know, it's been so awesome seeing the channel grow, and I'm just beyond excited to get you guys some good content out here. Let me know what you guys thought of the video down below. If you want to see more transformation videos like this, let me know. Comment down below. I would love to do, I'm always doing projects. I love DIY, so let me know. All right, you guys, I hope you all have a blessed, amazing week. Bye, guys.